Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life.
Good morning mga bata. Ako day si Jasmine Bertalio, your teacher for today. So, natin ko'y gamay nga energizer to make your brain active.
Little Indians, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indians, 10 little Indian boys, 10 little, 9 little, 8 little Indians, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little Indians, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little Indians, 1 little Indian boy.
So, sa kanang energizer ay support sa mga siya sa teaching strategy. We have 2 teaching strategy. First is a direct instruction. Second is the guided practice. First is a direct instruction. Like, ang mga teacher is mag-give og lectures, demonstrations, and explanation. Second is guided practice. Like, ang teacher is maghatag og mga support and feedback while ang mga student is nag-practice sa mga new skills. The advantage.
So teachers can cover a lot of material in a short time. So the teachers can teach a lot of things quickly because they are leading the lesson.
The disadvantage.
Teacher, ang naka-disadvantage ani nga strategy kay mag-decrease ang student engagement and it limits opportunities for students to express, share their knowledge or ideas in the class. Kay ang teacher man ang magsigig hatag og information, so limited ra ang ma-share nga ideas sa mga student nga ma-express ang ilang mga knowledge and possible nga dili na kayo sila active sa class kay magdepend naman sila sa mga teachers.